saja hati yang satu digadai, jangan tergoda bintang di awan. Kalau terbitnya di siang hari, jangan tergoda bintang di awan. Kalau terbitnya di siang hari, jinak merpati makan di tangan, jangan itu disangkar hati. Jinak merpati makan di tangan, jangan itu disangkar hati. Seribu senyum, seribu mada, mungkin dikuntung racun yang bisa. Seribu senyum, seribu mada, mungkin dikuntung racun yang bisa. Kalau terkorban jiwa merana, seribu sesal apa gunanya. Kalau terkorban jiwa merana, seribu sesal apa gunanya. Merdu didengar indah di bawah daun, awaslah umpan di air tenang. Merdu didengar indah di pandangan, awaslah umpan di air tenang. Kasih dan budi bukan mainan, tergadai hati jiwa terbusa. Kasih dan budi bukan mainan, tergadai hati jiwa terbusa.
There comes a time when we heed a certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying. Oh, it's time to lend a hand to life. The greatest gift of all. Keep it warm, pretending day by day, because somewhere will soon make a change. We are a part of God's great big family, and the truth, you know, love is all we need. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones who got the answers start giving. There's a choice we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me. Well, send them your heart, so they know that someone cares, and their life will be strong and free. As God has shown us, right, turn it on bread. And so we all must lend a helping hand. We are the world. We are the children. We are the one to make a brighter day. So let's start giving. Oh, there's a choice we're making. We're saving our lives. If you would make a better day, just you and me. When you turn it out, there seems no hope at all. colors disappeared, the animals inside came out to play. Went face to face with all our fears, learned our lessons through the tears, made memories we knew would never fade. One day my father, he told me, son, don't let it slip away. He took me in his arms, I heard him say, when you get older, your wild heart will live for younger days. Think of me if ever you're afraid. He said one day you'll leave this world behind, so live a life you will remember. My father told me when I was just a child, these are the nights to never die. My father told me. Can't put out, carving him into those shining stars. He said go venture far beyond the shores, don't forsake this life of yours. I'll guide you home no matter where you are. One day my father, he told me, son, don't let it slip away. When I was just a kid I heard him say, when you get older you will live for younger days. If ever you're afraid. He said one day you'll leave this world behind, so live a life you will remember. My father told me when I was just a child, these are the nights that never die. My father told me. These are the nights that never die. My father told me. Di sini tersemai cita-cita, bercambah menjadi warisan. Andai ku terbuang tak diterima, andai aku disingkirkan, kemana harus ku bawakan, kemana harus ku semaikan cinta ini. Betapa di bumi selatan, timur dan barat ku jejaki. Aku bukanlah seorang perwira, gagah mengkudu senjata, namun hati rela berjuang walau dengan cara sendiri demi benda ini. Ku ingin kotakan 1000 janji sepanjang kedewasaan ini. Ku ingin sampaikan pesanan, akulah menyambut warisan. What's wrong with the world, mama? People living like they ain't got no mama. I think the whole world addicted to the drama, only attracted to things that'll bring the trauma. Overseas, yeah, we trying to stop terrorism, but we still got terrorists here living in the USA, the big CIA, the Bloods and the Crips and the KKK. But if you only have love for your own race, then you only need space to discriminate, and to discriminate only generates hate. And when you hate, then you're bound to get irate. Yeah, madness is what you demonstrate, and that's exactly how anger works and operates. Man, you gotta have love to set it straight. Take control of your mind and meditate. Let your soul gravitate to the love, y'all.
Killing people, dying, children hurt, and you hear them crying. Can you practice what you preach, and won't you turn the other cheek? Father, 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 help us, send some guidance from above. These people got me questioning, where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love?
It just ain't the same, always will change. New days are strange, is the world the same? If love and peace is so strong, why are the pieces of love that don't belong? Nations dropping bombs, chemical gases filling the lungs of little ones with ongoing suffering. As the youth are young, so ask yourself, is the loving really gone? So I can ask myself, really what is going wrong in this world that we living in? People keep on giving in, making wrong decisions, only visions of them dividends, not respecting each other, denying thy brother. A war's going on, but the reason's undercover. The truth is kept secret, it's swept under the rug. If you never know truth, then you never know love. Where's the love, y'all? Come on, I don't know. Where's the truth, y'all? Come on, I don't know. Where's the love, y'all?
People killing, people dying, children hurt, and you hear them crying. Can you practice what you preach, and won't you turn the other cheek? Father, 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 help us, send some guidance from above. These people got me questioning, where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the
I feel the weight of the world on my shoulder. As I'm getting older, your people get colder. Most of us only care about money making. Selfishness got us following the wrong direction. Wrong information always shown by the media. Negative images is the main criteria. Infecting the young minds faster than bacteria. Kids wanna act like what they see in the cinema. Whatever happened to the values of humanity? Whatever happened to the fairness and equality? Instead of spreading love, we're spreading animosity. Lack of understanding leading us away from unity.